Today we are going to solve this multiplication problem using decimals, with decimals in it. 4 and 52/100ths times 1 and 7/10ths. So what we do to solve this is we write it out using traditional multiplication. We don't have to line up the decimals, don't have to do anything. We just write it out, and we're going to multiply it the traditional way, and we're really almost going to ignore the decimals, pretend they're not there. Okay, so 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 1 is 36. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 3 is 31. Put in our most important step, our 0, our placeholder. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 4 is 4. We're going to add this up. Now, when we pay attention to those numbers and those decimals, the numbers after the decimals. So the numbers that are after the decimals, here we have 1 number after the decimal, here we have 2 numbers after the decimal. So that's a total of 1, 2, 3 numbers after the decimal. So we're going to scoop 1, 2, 3 places to have 3 numbers in our answer after our decimal. So our answer is 7 and 684 thousandths. Now, since we're solving multiplication, we always do multiplication 2 ways. So I'm going to do lattice. You can do box method too. And we just kind of ignore the decimals. We're going to put in those later, just like we did with the traditional. Okay, so I'm going to set up my lattice here. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 7 is 14. 5 times 7 is 35. 4 times 7 is 28. And then I'm just going to add going down. So this would be 4, 8, 16, and 7. And then again, we had 3 numbers after our decimals. Whoops, 1, 2, 3. So here we have to 1, 2, 3 after our decimal. And we get the same answer, 7 and 684 thousandths. So that must be correct because we checked it 2 ways.